Hey guys, it's Dr. Noah from Family Chiropractic Center. In late spring or maybe even early spring, I did a very similar video where I explained how I nearly or basically got rid of my seasonal allergies for good. And it's been years I've been trying. Chiropractic made a huge difference. A paleo primal diet made a huge difference. Certain probiotics made a huge difference, but I still had seasonal allergies, and sometimes pretty darn severe, and those of you who suffer them know how bad they are. So in the last year, I've integrated 2 biohacks, and I'm surrounded by my biohacks: the blue light blocking lenses, my Aura ring, my brain tap meditation headset, but I've been using 2 on a regular day in and day out basis. Had 0 spring allergies, and so far no upcoming fall allergies, and I don't intend to have any. So in the show notes, or not in the show notes, in this little presentation, Facebook Live comment section, I put in links to the products. I also put in the dates that you can listen to when I interviewed the creator of the products on our podcast, Beyond Your Wildest Gene, so you can get more information, because this is a short few-minute video. But the 2 products are, one, it's the Joovv or photobiomodulation red and near infrared light therapy. A lot of research shows that it helps build collagen. It's great for testosterone. It's great for thyroid health. It's great for bone density. It's great for many things. It's also, certain frequencies are food for your mitochondria and energy. So light is energy. And I have the tabletop version and a handheld version. Handheld version I use a lot to help my children recover from their athletic endeavors, because they're both great athletes, and you'll see some posts of me doing the red light on them. But I use the tabletop version every single day on my face, on my upper torso, on my lower torso, every single day. And they have larger models as well. I highly recommend them. I believe it has something to do with, in terms of seasonal allergies, creating a healthier biome, reducing inflammation, and it's made a huge difference. The other thing, the other product, the other biohack that has made an enormous difference on seasonal allergies is this product right here, Restore. This is the nasal spray, and this is the liquid. It is basically ancient dirt that helps set up an optimal gut environment. There's white paper research on Restore showing that it reduces IL-6 or interleukin-6, which is an inflammatory molecule. It helps seal tight junctions. It helps protect your gut from gluten, and it helps protect and heal your gut from glyphosate or Roundup. So it's a really novel and awesome daily mineral supplement that I take. I take it in the morning in my water, and then I spray this in my nose, on my eyes, in my ears every day, just like this. I'm going to do it. And I fully believe that these 2 products enormously help reduce or nearly eliminate my seasonal allergies. So check it out. Try these products, give them a long-term go, and see if you get the same results. And please, if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Be awesome, never unawesome, and time for me to see a few patients. Or not a few patients, a whole bunch of patients, 9 to 12. Bye.